Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Are you interested in monetizing your online presence today? We are driving you into the world of affiliate marketing with a step-by-step guide on becoming a DHGate affiliate partner in 2023. Stay tuned and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So guys, here we are once in this page, which is the main page of DHGate. So as you can see, this is the URL, dhgate.com, as you can see. So now to get started as affiliate program partner, what you'll have to do is simply head up to the bottom of this page. So you gotta go all the way down, and here you go all the way to the footer, and you click on this partnership, click on affiliate program. So here we go. And now this page shall be open for you. So here they are explaining what is the DHGate affiliate program. Here are some explanations, how much you can earn. You can earn about 3 to 60% commissions and during the shopping. Here you can find some referral program, invite your friends to earn 3 to 60% to get your 30% as well. Here you can get some opportunities. And how does it work? Simply by registering, and then step 2 is get your affiliate link and start promoting it, get referral customers, place orders, and then you'll get your commissions to roll in. So now let's do these steps, shall we? So first of all, here, as you can see, they are making like a promotion, which is earn your way to the top up to 20% commissions from June 1st to the last of July. So now we are on August, so it has been ended, so you can't really go to it at the moment. So now let's get started by creating an account real quick by going to the top right corner, as you can see, and click on join free. Here you have two options: either create an account using email and password, or to join using Gmail account or Facebook account. So let's join as a Gmail account. Let's do this. And now just wait a little bit until it loads. And then here you have to add your Gmail address. So here we go. And now click on connect. And here we are. Now we are connected successfully. So here you can simply get your workplace, click here, and then click here to activate for free. So here they are asking you if you want to be an affiliate and to activate it. So the affiliate program is a platform for everyone, can be partner with DHGate. Earn commission by sharing affiliate links and referring customer. So click on activate free, and here we get started. So here you have to fill these informations by where you are going to share your stuff. So the link is, for example, here we can say that in case, for example, for me, I can share it on my YouTube channel, and then I will have to add my URL of the YouTube channel. So here, how many followers do you have? So here you can add about, for example, 20K follower. Here the title of your channel, so give it a name, for example here like Lodi. Here the URL, we can add the URL of our channel, so youtube.com/ crypto prodigy or something like that, crypto titan or anything, like any channel that you have in mind. Here the contact, so who manages this media, you can here just add your email address. So I'm going to add here my email address. So here we go, and then add your Gmail, etc. Or you can just write me, and they will get the email address that you have already in your account. Here, add some tags, so types related with your media. Here, what are the things that you are doing? So content, blog. Here, price comparison, media company, branding marketing, email marketing, etc. So you can choose whatever you'd like, and then click on enter. And here we go, we have successfully created our accounts. So now we can start by choosing stuff. So here, as you can see, there is the dashboard. Here you can click to watch the affiliate program, and here it is your referral program link. So you can simply just get this invitation link, share it with people, and from this link you will get to start earning commission in this balance, which is accumulating over here. So the time that or the money that you are going to get is simply variate from money. So here are all the products that exist on this website and all the minimum commission that you can get. For example, here for this shoe, you will get around $51. For this commission, you will get around 16, 51, 55, $10. So there is a bunch of options that you really can get from and money that you can get from these products. So all you need to do, for example, you want people to start buying this product, which will get you around $100. Click on get link. It will give you the link. So here, all you have to do is choose the media, track source, and then give a short link, then click on generate, and here it goes. So now once I click on this link and I try to open it, it will take me eventually to the page where I can buy this product, and now I can get the coupon and buy this product as I like and as I wish. And once the person bought it, you will get around $100 as a commission for this person buying this product. And there is more than that. So here, if I close this, I can close that as well. There is here the account data, and here you must add your simply your data. You can add your balance, how you can withdraw. So here the minimum amount that you can withdraw is basically around $5 or 10. So here will be all your transactions, all the money that you have, all the people that have been joining this platform using your link, and it will be very secure for you to have all the details about you. And for you asking me when am I supposed to add my bank account so I can get the money, once you achieve $5 or 10, you will be able to get your money. But you will need to wait around 45 to 60 days, and then the commission will transfer to your bank account or your balance account. So here they are given like the customer an opportunity to, if he have made any kind of refunds or had any problem with the product, they will not really send you the money unless this period has passed, so the customer will not have any problem and they will not lose money by giving it to you eventually. And yeah, the money, once you have it, you shouldn't wait any time to like get it out to withdraw it. Once you have it, you receive it, you can withdraw it at the same time. So it is very, very easy tool to use. You will not have any problems even as a beginner to use it. Here you can find every hot campaign. Everything is here made for you, so you can use it. Every kind of filter, type, category of stuff, everything is here made to be easy for you to use. So this is one of the best affiliate programs that ever exists on the internet. I find it more better than the Amazon affiliate program even. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.